Dashcam Madness. Submit your clips below. Enjoy the video. Look for the signs to keep you alive. These impatient drivers at the intersection. This driver was arrested for DUI 5 minutes later. I nearly saw an accident on my way home today. What type of cops are these? That must have scared the living. What is she trying to do? Time for Grandma to give up her license before she hurts someone. People can't take turns properly at this intersection for some reason.
¿Qué hace?
Madre mía.
Normal de los cojones.
This idiot crashed directly into a centre lane island, including a full-height pedestrian crossing sign. It was 2 in the morning and they started drifting into our lane. This entitled idiot blocks the oncoming turn lane to attempt a left turn across 3 lanes of traffic into the Dollar Tree parking lot. Do you think this should be a three-way stop to avoid these situations?
Oh my God! Don't let somebody walk. Oh, this never works.
No.
Sorry, I'm on the inside lane, and the person in front of me is letting the car turn left in front of us. So now, here we go. Boom. Yeah, there's an accident. Like, yeah.
This driver was in a hurry for his groceries. I had this car for less than 3 months, and now it's gone because somebody didn't stop at a stop sign.
Twenty minutes later.
This idiot in front of me cuts the corner into my left turn lane, and the idiot behind me does the same thing.
A few moments later.
He must be in desperate need of gas, so, okay. My satisfaction level after this one.
Wow.
Thank you for watching. Make sure to subscribe and check out our other videos and submit your own clips below. We are a new channel, so your support is greatly appreciated.